What
Hi. We are at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique.
We are. We're going to show you how it goes. Sissy's already got her outfit on. Over here, Sissy, look. That's Sissy.
And what a handsome knight you are.
That's Sissy. Look and show mommy.
Wow.
Sissy, that's for Sister.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
yours. Pretty nice.
And you're a birthday princess?
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo.
Perfect.
Oh, hello, my dear. Why, you're growing as fast as a pumpkin. Now, today is going to be a very special day for you. So, let's get things started with you, dear me. What did I do with that?
Yeah, so they can smell lights very far away. See lights very far away, so you have to just very nice. Right? Scratch yourself, try.
good girl.
Yeah. So first and foremost, the first thing you need to do is have yourself the dragon.
Look at she's like trying to look at us. Look at her.
Alright, so my dragon will do a few things. First off, the middle of it. Second, the smell. You like it? Little dragon. You're gonna go like this? Okay. Good to know. Yeah, I know. So I need you to hold my knife. This is my knife.
Shut up.
You have your own. It's alright.
Yay!
Alright, hold that right there. I'm gonna put some freezes right in your hair so it stays. Uh-oh. You gotta get a lot of that. Ready? Bibbidi, bobbidi, boom! Open your eyes, charge! You look just like a dragon!
Let me see.
I have some presents for you. Okay, so you got your sword and your shield. You get your magic comb that you get to take home with you. And you have shampoo in here and some aftercare instructions. Oh, Bibbidi, bobbidi, boom! Open your eyes, charge!
It looks like a dragon here.
It does look like a dragon here. Look at her little face. She looks so grown up. Sissy! I don't have my flash, I just have my...
She's just a tongue. She's just not.
I know.
She's the loudest person in the world around us.
Definitely. Yay! Sister!
Just like Gymnastics taught us. She taught us in our bowling
You see this little cold shell going? That's gorgeous!
Do you like it? Put your hands. Hands up. This side. Put your hands up.
Thumbs up.
All the way up.
All the way up!
All the way up.
Oh, pretty gorgeous.
Now photographer over. She is going to see. You get to see yourself for the first time, princess, as an official Disney princess. Just like your favorite princess, right? never seen your hair this long, huh? Not yet, huh? Not yet. Open your eyes, princess. Look at you. Wow. She's something I think. Yeah. She doesn't know it's hers like right now. I don't think she cares. So this be the first time as a Disney princess, our newest Disney princess, Czoka. Yay, Disney! Yay! Say yay! Good job, sweetheart. Are you able to write her a note on her autograph? Of course. I don't know where my pen was, though. I've got one. And then in here it's a little bag, and she's got some shampoo and a little aftercare card in there, too, and all of her little goodies, okay? Wow, pretty! Say thank you. Oh, that's cool. Bye, Will. Bye. Happy birthday, Princess Dakota. Say thank you. All right, Princess, you can stand next to me. Remember that one. Good job, everyone. You excited? Yeah. Come back over here. Let me get a picture on my DSLR. Hey, look at me. I like it. You gotta dance. Whatever you want to do, okay? I'm like...
Alrighty guys, I wanted to end this video with a quick little voiceover with a few clips showing you what we got to keep and what we actually got out of the money we spent and how much we spent, stuff like that. This is just a little preview of everything that we got to take home with us. That includes the t-shirt dress, the makeup that they used on her, her brushes and combs, some shampoo, and then a little boutique bag. If you buy the cheapest option, I think it's $65, and it comes, I think, with all of this minus the dress, which is with us is a t-shirt and a tutu. We went with this option because we wanted her to have a t-shirt. This option was $100, and then they have more expensive options if you want to buy one of their dresses, but they're more than willing to let you bring your own dress. But again, we wanted her to have this t-shirt, and it was like $35 more than the base, and I thought that was way worth it because a Disney shirt's like $25-$35 anyway, so I think that was a total steal for this price. Anyway, my son, his package was only 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks. If you have boys, definitely consider this. He loved it. They knighted him and everything. It was super cool. He didn't come home with a bunch of stuff, but he did get to come home with what they used on his hair. So some shampoo for washing and like his brush and comb, and I think stuff like that. Also, we got to ride the carousel for free because we did this at Disney Springs. I'm not sure what they do like for a ceremony after at Magic Kingdom, but we did ours at Disney Springs on our down day because this takes like an hour, and I didn't want to take away from like park time. But afterward, they had like that little ceremony which you guys got to see where they're waving and they led them all to the carousel, and then we all got to ride for free. So it was super awesome, super worth it. I think so because both of my kids actually liked it better than the park. So I think totally awesome. Anyway, if you guys have any comments, questions, please let me know in the comments. I will try to answer them. I do have a video on tips for Bibbidi Boutique. I will link it, as well as tips for Disney and tips for Frozen lovers, and all my Disney videos are linked below. But anyway, that is it. Please stay. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to me. Bye, y'all. Love yous.